Hello friends, welcome to Prepositions Unique English Easy Way, the only YouTube channel to learn important English concepts most easily in minutes.
Tiger, tiger.
Someone alerted from the house window. Where? The man asked with fear.
Behind you.
Had the man not escaped after the warning, he could have lost his life. Such is the power of prepositions. Here the preposition behind guided the man where to run. Today you will learn all varieties of prepositions just within a few minutes. Therefore, see this video fully without skipping. Let us begin with prepositions of direction. See this statement. Children, come, play beside me. Here the word beside describes where the children should move. The eagle flew over the trees. In this sentence, the word over denotes the directions where the bird moves. Such prepositions describe how, where, or in what way something moves. Therefore, they are called prepositions of direction or movement. Some common prepositions of direction or movement are off, under, beneath, up, above, away from, next to, across, over, down, from, to, out of, into, around, along, towards, inside, in, close to, through, onto, etc. Prepositions of agency. A preposition of agency tells in what way a thing is the cause of another thing. For example, Ramayana Darshanam is written by Kuvempu. The preposition shows the great poet Kuvempu is the cause of the epic Ramayana Darshanam. By is generally used to describe a doing by a person. By is not used for things. Instead, with is used as in I cut vegetables with a knife. These are the only two prepositions in English that tell in what way a person or a thing is the cause of another person or thing. Prepositions of place. The prepositions that help to identify the location of something or someone are called prepositions of place. For example, the book is on the table. The key is behind the door. In these examples, on refers to the top of the table and behind refers to the back of the door. Common prepositions of place: underneath, above, within, at, over, below, between, next to, beside, near, outside, inside, on, behind, in front of, below, in, under, opposite, close to, etc. Prepositions of purpose or reason. The preposition that shows the reason or cause of a happening or being is called a preposition of purpose or reason. It answers the question, why is this happening? For example, I had gone there to see the circus. With the help of the preposition to, we can know why he had gone there. What is she here for? For in this interrogative sentence describes the reason for her presence there. Everything he did was for his family. Here too, for shows the reason for the man's action. Because of the harassment, she quit the job. In this sentence, why did she quit her job is well described by the preposition because. Other examples of prepositions of purpose or reason. To. He ran to catch the bird. On account of the train delay caused, we couldn't join the party. Owing to her accident, she couldn't continue with her dance classes. Through his help, she was able to pass the exam. Prepositions of device, machine or instrument. The prepositions used to introduce instrumental nouns like devices or machines are called prepositions of device, machine or instrument. These prepositions give details about how something happens. By, with, and on are the only prepositions that can be used to describe such things. For example, he comes by car daily. How he comes daily is described by the preposition by. He opened the lock with a key. Here, with describes how he opened the key. I submitted my job application on the accountant's laptop. Here, we can know how I did submit my job application. Prepositions of connection. To, of, and with are common prepositions of connection. As prepositions of connection, they show relationship, possession, or accompaniment. Relationship as in, certainly, the movie clips appeal to the judges. Here the relationship between the movie clips and the judges is made more clear with the preposition to. Therefore it functions as a preposition of connection. Possession as in, I don't like the color of the car. The preposition of connects the car and the color. Of is put between two noun phrases, the car and the color, to show that the color belongs to the car. Accompaniment is in, she walks with him. We use with when we talk about people and things that we connect. Prepositions of origin. The prepositions used to describe something's origin, such as nationality, native place, ethnicity, etc., are called prepositions of origin. Primarily there are two prepositions of this type. They are from and of. Examples: she is from England. Here, from shows the place of origin of the woman. The machine is from Eureka Forbes. Here, the company to which the machine belongs is described. This car is of Japanese origin. The preposition of describes the country where the car was made. I think the iPhone is of American origin. Here too, of describes the place where the phone was made. Prepositions of time. These prepositions show when or how long an event occurs. For example, he often goes out in the evening. Here the preposition in describes when he often goes out. She lived in England for 6 years. Here, for describes how long she did live in England. Common prepositions of time are on the screen now. During, past, until, till, since, at, ago, before, by, after, to, on, etc. Friends, by now, you have seen how the prepositions function in sentences, and how best you can use them preposition to nouns in different relationships such as direction or movement, agency, place, reason or purpose, instrument or device, connection, origin, and time. Prepositions can be very difficult to navigate, but it doesn't mean that you cannot learn them perfectly. Prepositions learnt in contexts of situations stay in mind forever. Just practice, practice and practice. Practice makes man perfect. Did you enjoy English learning today? Have you subscribed to the Unique English channel yet? Yes? Excellent. If you have any doubts, please leave them in the comment box below. Thanks for watching.